Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to reset the app preferences on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on apps. Here let's tap on the more options icon in the top right corner. And once the menu appears, select the Reset App Preferences and then tap on Reset to reset the preferences, like this. And that's how you reset the app preferences on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.